Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Explain. The topic that we are going to cover today is social mobility. Social mobility का मतलब क्या होता है basically? Mobility means movement. Movement in any direction, upwards, downwards, horizontal, any direction. And social का मतलब हुआ social position or a person's position in a society. तो social mobility का मतलब हो गया any change or any movement in a person's social position throughout his lifetime. पूरे लाइफ टाइम में कोई भी चेंजेस एक पर्सन के सोशल स्टेटस में जब आता है उसे कहते हैं सोशल मोबिलिटी, मूवमेंट इन सोशल पोजीशन ऑफ अ पर्सन. ठीक है, अब ये जो टर्म है सोशल मोबिलिटी, ये एक अमेरिकन सोशियोलॉजिस्ट या फिर अमेरिकन पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट ने दिया था जिनका नाम था पित्रम सोरोकिन. अब पित्रम सोरोकिन ने ये जो टर्म दिया था सोशल मोबिलिटी अपनी एक बुक में दिया था, सोशल एंड कल्चरल मोबिलिटी. वहाँ पे उन्होंने सबसे पहली बार इसको एक्सप्लेन करा कि सोशल मोबिलिटी नाम की एक चीज़ होती है. और उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों करा? क्योंकि वो किसी भी क्लोज्ड या ओपन सोसाइटी में बिलीव नहीं करते थे. ही डिड नॉट बिलीव इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ क्लोज सोसाइटी जैसे कि एक कास्ट सिस्टम में होता है. नीदर डिड ही बिलीव इन द सिस्टम ऑफ ओपन सोसाइटी जो कि एक क्लास सिस्टम में होता है. उनके अकॉर्डिंग जो पर्सन है वो अपने पोजीशन सोसाइटी में चेंज कर सकता है बेस्ड ऑन हिज स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग, हिज डिज़ायर्स, हिज नीड्स. उसके बेसिस पे या फिर उसके कैपेबिलिटीज़, उसके स्किल सेट, उसके बेसिस पे जो पर्सन है उसके सोसाइटी में उसके सोशल पोजीशन में चेंज होगा. एंड दिस चेंज दैट विल अकर, it is not constant. Since society is evolving, the change in a person's social status will also occur. तो ये पित्रम सोरोकिन ने ये कॉन्सेप्ट बताया. और उससे आया सोशल मोबिलिटी. सोशल मोबिलिटी का मतलब अब हो गया एनी चेंज और एनी मूवमेंट इन अ पर्सन's सोशल स्टेटस, एनी चेंज इन अ पर्सन's सोशल स्टेटस विच इज रिलेटिव. यस, वन मोर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन से वो सिचुएशन चेंज हो जाएगी. फ्रॉम द करंट सिचुएशन relative to one's current situation or status, the position in society will change. This is what social mobility is. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सोशल मोबिलिटी का एग्जाम्पल क्या हुआ? प्रमोशन, ओके, और गेटिंग अ न्यू जॉब और गेटिंग मैरिड. दीज आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सोशल मोबिलिटी क्योंकि इसमें सोशल पोजीशन एक पर्सन की चेंज हो रही है फ्रॉम अ पर्सन वर्किंग एज अ ऑफिस बॉय हैज been promoted to a supervisor. Okay, from person being single has been shifted to being in a marital institution. Okay, और इसमें it can also be a downfall, economic loss. किसी को कोई loss हो गया है, person who has been convicted of an offense, it will be downward mobility. Now there are 4 types of mobility: vertical mobility, horizontal mobility, intergenerational mobility and intragenerational mobility. Let's start with vertical mobility. Vertical mobility का मतलब हुआ vertical movement, up and down movement. Okay, so this vertical mobility can be in upward direction or downward direction. Now vertical mobility can be in 2 directions, upward direction and downward direction. जब कोई भी position, जब किसी का social status बढ़ जाता है, increase हो जाता है या फिर upward direction में move करता है, जैसे कि office boy से सुपरवाइजर, तो वो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहा है. इट इज मूविंग फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, तो इसको बोलेंगे अपवर्ड वर्टिकल मोबिलिटी. व्हेन द सोशल पोजीशन डिक्लाइंस और डिक्रीजेस फ्रॉम द करंट स्टेटस, फ्रॉम द करंट पोजीशन, उसे कहेंगे डाउनवर्ड सोशल मोबिलिटी. डाउनवर्ड सोशल मोबिलिटी का मतलब वही कन्विक्टेड ऑफ एन ऑफेंस या फिर अ पर्सन फायर्ड फ्रॉम अ जॉब, दिस विल बी डाउनवर्ड सोशल मोबिलिटी. Movement, basically जो the types of social mobility are basically divided on the basis of the movement and the basis of direction. The next one is horizontal mobility. Horizontal mobility means the movement that occurs on a same level. Okay, for example, you quit a job as an English teacher in school XYZ and joins in school PQR as an English teacher on the same position, on the same level, and that will be horizontal mobility. Okay, for example, any other example, you get married, it is a horizontal mobility. A person of same status coming together, it is known as horizontal mobility. The next type is intergenerational social mobility. Now intergenerational means across all generations or across different generations. Inter matlab across different generation and intrageneration means within a particular generation. So intergenerational social mobility refers to changes in the social position among different generations. For example, there's a bus driver who has 2 children. One of them studies hard, get good grades, and then finally cracks up the law exam and finally becomes a lawyer. The second child didn't study properly, didn't focus on any curricular activity, or didn't even focus on any sports, and did a menial job like his father, also became a bus driver like his father. Now, in this, the son who became a lawyer is at a higher social status, or moves in the upward direction from his own generation, from his father's generation. His father was a bus driver, but he rose above to becoming a lawyer. So this is intergenerational. Whereas among 2 brothers, the one who rose up and the other who did not rise up, this is intragenerational. Intragenerational is the child who becomes a lawyer. The child who becomes a lawyer moves to a better social position, moves in an upward social position, and this becomes intragenerational. Among a similar generation, 2 siblings comes in intragenerational, father and son comes in intergenerational. Now, have you ever wondered why is social mobility important? Social mobility is important because it helps you move from a position of low in your life to a position of higher in your life. It is important so that a society keeps functioning, a society keeps growing. A society where the people moves from lower social status to a higher social status has likely to grow more than a society where the people are on a similar status for a prolonged period of time. So it is very important for a society, or for the people of society, to move in particular directions and not be strict, rigid, or constant. It is very important for a society to not be rigid. It is the nature of society to be dynamic and to change. So people in the society must also change, must also be as dynamic as the society. Thank you for watching. That's all for today.